the fight.
You
I'm
better
gonna
not
get you
damage
in
my
trouble.
clothes. I'll put you in your place.
What are you looking at?
Nothing.
Well, it looks like you're looking at me, scumbag.
Like I said, nothing. Oh, come on, I don't want to fight you. My name's Jimmy.
Zoe. I was at Bulworth once. I got kicked out.
Why?
Let's just say Mr. Burton is a dirty creep.
Seriously? I would love to teach that guy a lesson. He bullies everyone.
You know, he goes jogging every day and regularly uses the porta potties in the park.
Yuck.
Yeah, so if we could catch him in one on top of a hill, then Mr. Burton could have a really interesting time in it.
Yeah, but they're all chained together. We'll need to get some bolt cutters.
Go get some from the Spaz Industries building and meet me at the park. Make sure no one sees you.
Move! Back off, idiot! I'm dying. Don't... A little light on your feet there, Cap? Look who's decided to bestow us. Come on, let's go, Slick. You should be in school. You would never amount to anything if you don't... Mine.
Why aren't you in class? What else could you possibly want to be doing?
Keep Get back to school, kid.
I'll hang on to that.
Did you get them?
Yeah, I got him. Now what?
Burton always goes to the can when he goes running. We've got to make sure he uses this one and send him on a trip. I'll take care of this. You make sure he doesn't use one of the other ones.
This sounds like it's gonna be good.
I bet Hopkins is behind this somehow. Ah! Much better. Oh my God! Corn! I didn't have corn for dinner! Oh, this is awful! Oh, yuck! God damn, I stink! I'm gonna have to shower for days with bleach! Ah, this is worse than when I got hazed!
That was easy.
Jimmy, buddy, I need your
Someone needs to send
all right.
those preps a message. Tag up that part of town.
Can you do it? Thoroughbred in Kentucky. I'm buying next week.
Mr. Galloway would be proud.
Anyway. Taking a field trip to the School of Fine Arts. This is the year I'm going. My fighting expertise is lethal. I'm a fighting machine, you fool.
Oh, here he is, Mr. Big.
Yeah, it was you, creep.
What was me?
Don't play innocent with us. I tried that when Father caught me with Nanny. He gave me a good thrashing, and I've got half a mind to give you one.
Hey, look, just get to the point.
Someone stole our boxing trophies, buddy. They were heirlooms.
Well, it wasn't me, rich boy, so relax.
Well, if it wasn't you, then who was it?
I bet it was those grease balls. I know it. They've always hated us. And so much for peace in our time, Popper. Just great.
Let's get them. Yes, it's time to teach those poor, disrespectful scum a lesson.
Wait, relax. Maybe it wasn't them. Maybe it was someone else.
Nobody hates us, apart from them.
Oh yeah, they do. Everyone hates you. You're all awful.
Oh, la-dee-da. Now he tells us. You are pathetic, Hopkins. You're not a leader. Out of my way. Come on, men. Let's go.
Okay.
It's war.
Hold on. Wait here. I'll go get your trophy back from those grease balls. Oh, man.
If I get
Open wide.
can I lose his royal flash?
Alright, Vance. Did you guys steal the Preppies trophies?
No way, man. After the townie's been saying all that stuff about Lola and made Johnny crazy, we don't care about those stuck-up jerks.
The townies? Really?
Yeah, and Johnny says you're no friend of ours anymore. But since you got him out, I'll let you walk away from this meeting.
Well, since I already beat you, I guess I believe you.
Gotta remember to fix that carburetor.
I thought of the hat into the ring insignia. See?
Alright, come on! They're burning those trophies down at the docks.
Well, Pauper, what did you find?
Yeah, who took our trophies?
Don't tell me. It was the Tooth Fairy.
Yeah, either it was the Tooth Fairy or the Greaseballs. I wonder which one.
Actually, trust fund babies. It was neither. It was those townies.
Which townies?
The ones who hang out by the factory.
Them? Why would they steal our trophies? Don't talk crap, Hopkins.
I'm not. I've got a picture to prove it.
Why? They don't have any problems with us.
Yeah, poor kids just love rich kids who act like stuck-up jerks, don't they? Listen, you over-fortunate numbskull. They did everything. Put Johnny Vincent in the home, let the rats out of the library, everything, including your trophies.
Why?
Because I listened to Gary.
So it is your fault.
No, it was Gary's fault.
You, my friend, have got delusions of grandeur. Nobody cares about you or Gary. You're ridiculous. Come on, Biff. Let's leave this king of this school to his pathetic little fantasies.
You are an idiot, Hopkins.
I've got a photograph.
You know what you can do with that, don't you?
What could possibly be more fun than learn?
Jimmy Hopkins delivers.
Math when you're not in math class.
Shouldn't you be in class?
they want
Pretending to be learning something.
You're on, buddy. I won't be able to go it alone. I'm gonna need your help, man.
Ah!
That shirt is... That shirt is... It's just bad.
This what you're looking for?
Is that
Nice outfit. Get that to number 5.
No matter what happens, may as well do as much.
Here you go.
Thanks a lot, Jimmy.
Clean up your act. Crazy hobo?
This what you're looking for?
A friend in need is a friend indeed, friend.
How can I find more tax
If you think any girls are getting close to those pants, think again.
Why do you put that thing on your head,
Daddy.
dear?
What the hell?
I'm just playing with you.
I'm gonna...
Clean up your act, kid. Look at those pants. Look, it's a bigger joint. Your thinking cap has me stumped, kid.
Oh!
What kind of person?
Kids
You Bullworth
to wear
boys aren't
shirts like that.
You stink.
You're gonna get some of this!
I hope I get into a good college.
Say bye-bye. Nerd somewhere. Can I do next, please, Johnny? I mean, Lola. I mean...
Hits until you
You want some of me? I'll show you.
You'll have to try harder than that. You're in hot water, whoever you are.
Someone fix
You'll be prosecuted to the max. Did I make myself clear? really need to beat someone soon.
I need
You
more
even
growth.
know what you're doing?
You got nothing. You suck.
Ditch that hack, kid.
Ooh,
That looks
I'm
awful.
sure everyone is really impressed.
Take it easy. There's no need
Get
to
out of my
up-
face!
Just leave me alone, will ya?
Are you like that?
Oh, I wish I could say that this has never happened before. Don't do that.
Better
I got
run,
you in my
weak
sights.
sauce.
I won't stop until you are apprehended. Phew! What happened? Did they arrest?
I don't understand why you'd wear that on your head.
I always get my man.